Okay, it is April 18th. We have a 4-day weekend coming up, so today we were trying to finish up this Summative project. I can explain how mass affects motion. I can explain how force affects motion. Remember, F equals ma, that's force equals mass times acceleration. This is our intro. If you've not finished designing, you're going to finish design. I'm going to pass back whatever was given in yesterday. It's got some commentary on it, and so you'll take a look at that. Engineer within the constraints. Test your engineering design, your crumple zone, and then redesign and analysis. So there will be kind of a written analysis thing that you're doing. I shared out what the questions look like yesterday, formalized it a little bit last night to kind of get it into a more complete type of thing to actually test those skills. So those will be handed out. Each individual needs to complete the analysis portion. That's the part that you get your 15 points part of the grade on. Your design from yesterday, that was an omelet grade, but I still put it in as a summative, should actually help boost some grades. So you'll see those coming in as well as we get through the day, and as we get through the rest of the day, we'll be trying to get the analysis portion updated and graded as well. So today, engineering within constraints, your constraints, you get 5 index cards. So we're not using paper, wax paper, tinfoil, stuff like we used before. We're just using index cards, 5 index cards. Got to make sure that you know how you're going to attach it to the car and then how you're going to actually use those index cards to reduce the impact. If you trash your index cards, that's one of the constraints. You get 5. So if you take the first one and you tear it up, throw it in the garbage, then you have 4. I chose 5 because lab groups have a max of 5 people. So rather than having the constraint be based on the number of people in your group, every group gets 5 because every group could have up to 5 people. It is assigned lab groups, and I'm aware of that, but some groups have 5, some groups have 3, some groups have 4, just based on how the assignments shook out. We will be getting some new seats after this because we are getting past a summative part of the unit, and usually after summatives we get some new seats, so I hope that answers a lot of the questions that might be brewing. And I don't want to take any more of your time, since time is also one of the constraints. I want to get the work back to you so you can go ahead and take a look at it, finish up your designs, or do some redesign before you engineer so that we can test, so that you can redesign and do your analysis. Happy Friday, technically. Let's get it done.